I'm gonna make a new type of tornado, teacher, and this is how you're gonna do it.
Fill it up with water first. Fill it up with water.
Fill it up with water first.
To right about to there. Keep going.
There we go.
Good. Now a teaspoon.
Now a teaspoon of this detergent soap.
Okay. Hannah, keep it back. Don't have to do it. Okay, ready?
Now vinegar. My mom's
Teaspoon.
gonna do teaspoon of vinegar. It has a little bit of detergent.
Spin it around. Okay.
Spin it around like
Where's the
that.
cap?
And then
Put the cap on tight.
and then put the cap on tight.
And then how do you spin it?
And then spin it and spin it in circles. Oh, it's not doing it right now.
Keep spinning.
There we go. It's making the
See?
tube
Here, let me
form.
try. Ready?
There it is, guys. That's a new type of tornado. Oh, yeah.